Hi everybody, my name is Arthur with Dasha AI. I've got another live demo for you guys. In case this is your first time tuning in, Dasha is a conversational AI as a service platform for developers. Any developer, no AI or machine learning experience required, can start building deeply conversational, human-like, compelling voice experiences to be used as call center automation or a voice interface for a mobile app or an IoT device. You can get started doing this today. It'll literally take you about 5 minutes to launch your first call. Visit our community below in the description. You can also get a tutorial for the app that I will be demoing for you today at the link in the description. So today's demo is an AI replacement for a insurance call center agent. Let's get right to it. I'm going to place a call to myself. I'll make this call and I will put it on speakerphone so that you can tune in and listen in with me. Let me just make the terminal a little bit bigger so that you can follow along the conversation as it develops as well.
For calling Acme Insurance Claims Helpline. My name is Dasha. I will be your artificially intelligent agent today. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Jon Snow.
Pleased to meet you, Jon Snow. How can I help you today?
I'd like to check my insurance policy details.
Can you please share the policy number you'd like to check?
718714.
Thank you. Let's make sure I got the number correctly. 718714. Is this right?
That's right.
Okay, let me see here. It looks like there is no active policy with this number. I'm sorry. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Can we try another policy?
Can you please share the policy number you'd like to check?
2221337.
Thank you. Let's make sure I got the number correctly. 2221337. Is this right?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, let me see here. It looks like there is no active policy with this number. I'm sorry. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yeah, can we try a different policy?
Can you please share the policy number you'd like to check?
Hold on for just a second.
Okay, I'll wait.
Okay, it's 8675309.
Thank you. Let's make sure I got the number correctly. 8675309. Is this right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, let me see here. It looks like this is a valid policy number, and there is currently one active claim associated with this policy number. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
What's the claim status?
It looks like the claim has been approved. You can redeem it if you like. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yeah, go ahead and redeem it.
Absolutely. It looks like there is a bank account tied to your account with us, which is enough we will refund the claim value to your account.
Yeah.
Would you like me to initiate this process?
Yeah.
Great. Refund process initiated. You should receive your money in 3 to 5 days. Anything else I can help you with?
Nope.
I'm glad I could be of help. How would you rate our interaction on a scale of 0 to 10?
8.
Thank you for such a high rating and thank you for your time. Please call back if you have any more questions. Bye.
Bye. There you go. So what I want to draw your attention to is that while I have some names defined in the data set that is used to train the neural network, giving you the AI as a service component, I don't have the name Jon Snow here, but I do have instructions on where such a name might be located, so it was identified. Same goes for the policy numbers. The first one is nowhere to be found here. And the same goes for the intents that I used to transition between the nodes in the conversation. They're similar, but not exact to what is listed here. So if you like this, like I said, the source code, the tutorial and the source code are in the links to the description. There's a link to our community. Please join. We'll love to have you. And start building with Dasha. Thanks a lot. Tune in for more. Bye.